Okay, here we go. Now, this is my rebuild. I put I put new bearings, new piston, new rings. I put 26-pound springs in it, but I took them out. I put the 18. I don't want to run such heavy springs. It's only got a Mod 2 cam in it, so this is gonna be my first start. I primed it up in the house. I only did one breather tube. Goes from here into there, and then out into the catch can. I should have done two, but you know what? One's fine. Gotta put the clutch and everything back on it. So I'm gonna let it idle about 15 minutes, drain the oil, refill it, rinse and repeat. Then I'll just drive it nice and easy. Like I said, when I first bought this motor, I didn't know that it didn't come with oil. I started it. It ran about 15 seconds dry. So I put oil in it, and it did fine. It didn't make any noises or nothing. Then the side cover loosened up. I didn't know that was such a major issue with these, but it is. So I had put those in. I torqued them to 18 foot-pounds with blue Loctite, and I drilled through one head. I'm going to take them out one at a time, drill through the heads, and safety wire it, because I bought the wire, and I bought the pair of pliers for it. But here, let me show you the extent of the damage. This is the piston that came out. Now, it only had 2 hours on it. 2 hours max on this motor. Look at all the damage. That was from the dry start. And the second time when it ran low on oil, it destroyed the lower ring. It thinned it out really good, and the scraper ring. So oil was getting pushed up through the to the top of the engine, and it just smoked like a bastard. These are the old bearings. You see, they're in nice shape. Just a couple of little marks, nothing really bad. I'm just gonna save them. I mean, they're absolutely usable. This not so much. But that's that, man. All right, no smoke, no knocks. Cross your fingers. Gotta bolt it down, tied it to the frame. No smoke, no bearing knock. That's all that matters to me. Let it lube up nice, break in. So if you noticed on my other videos, I have a clutch brake, and I have the old scrub brake. This thing massively stops on a dime. So far, so good. I'm happy. I bought a ring compressor. I bought tools to measure things, you know, like I bought an inch-pound torque wrench. I bought it from a company in Australia. I have a micrometer, but it's a Harbor Freight one. They're cheap. It was like $10. I upgraded it, and I'm telling you, it's like dead on. I mean, dead on. If they say 1 inch or 1.191, it is exactly, lands right on that. So I'm happy with that. All right. So far, so good. Let it break in. See a little bit of smoke, a little bit of puffing coming out of the tailpipe. It wasn't doing that a second ago, but the rings have to break in. We'll see what happens.